My name is Isaac from Magic Kids, and today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon sword. I'm choosing white because it's closest to silver. And once you have, make sure you leave no tip at all, and let out a little air so you can tie it. And then after you're done tying it, make about a 3-4 inch tie. And then bring it to the other part of the balloon and tie it. The nozzle through, go on, come undone, and then put the sword through the thing, and then leave a little handle, and then shape it so it's straight, or as straight as you can get it, and there's your sword. There's your sword. Just subscribe right down here, and our newest video will be right up here. Thanks for watching.